Are you installing a huge TV? This Sanus mount is exactly what you need. Today, we're spotlighting the VXT7 from Sanus, designed for the biggest and best TV setups. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel, your place for product spotlights, the Orange Couch Crush series, recorded webinars from manufacturers, and our newest offering, the Eat, Sleep, Install, Repeat podcast, where we sit down with industry leaders and take a deeper look at what makes their product and them tick. Be sure to check out our full lineup, subscribe, and give us a like. The Sanus VXT7 is ideal for handling larger TV installations. It's been rigorously tested and approved for TVs ranging from 65 inches all the way up to a massive 140 inches, and it can even support up to 300 pounds. The VXT7 features an expandable wall plate which can extend from 33 inches up to 52 inches. That allows this mount to accommodate larger VESA patterns from 200 to 200 up to 1100 by 800. Virtual Access Fingertip technology enables effortless tilting 7 degrees up and 10 degrees down with just a touch of a finger. This makes it easy to adjust the TV to reduce glare or access cables. Your customer's TV will sit just 2.5 inches away from the wall, giving a clean, flush appearance while still allowing room to tilt when needed. Pro Set Plus from Sanus simplifies post-install adjustments, letting you fine-tune the height and level by up to 1 inch. No need to remove the entire TV from the wall for those small but important adjustments. If futuristic movies have taught us anything, it's that TVs are only going to get bigger. Stay ahead of the trend and use Sanus's VXT7 in your next install. For consumers looking for a clean and professional install, Davis always recommends contacting a local home AV installer. They have the tools and expertise to get the job done right, saving you both time and money. Thanks for tuning in to the Davis YouTube channel. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. I'll see you guys next time.